Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fava beans. First, let's get those fresh fava beans ready. You'll begin by taking them out of their thick, inedible pods. Simply snap off the stem end and pull down the seam, almost like unzipping it. Inside, you'll find about 4 or 5 vibrant green beans, which are the delicious part we're after. This initial step is crucial for preparing them properly. Now that your fava beans are out of their pods, it's time for blanching and peeling. Bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add the shelled beans for just 1 to 2 minutes. This quick dip helps tenderize them. Immediately plunge them into an ice bath to halt the cooking. Once cool, gently pinch or make a small cut to slip off the waxy outer skin, revealing the bright green inner bean. With your fava beans peeled, you have several delicious cooking options. For a quick and flavorful dish, sauté them in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil and minced garlic for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can boil them in fresh, lightly salted water until they are tender, which usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. Steaming is also a wonderful method, preserving their delicate flavor and vibrant color. Cooked fava beans are incredibly versatile and add a fresh, nutty flavor to many dishes. Enjoy them simply as a side, perhaps tossed with a squeeze of lemon juice, fresh mint, and a sprinkle of shaved cheese. They are also fantastic in salads, risottos, or pasta. For a delightful appetizer, mash them onto crusty toast. Their bright taste complements fresh herbs, good olive oil, and a hint of acidity beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.